This video will help you how to create the employee master as well as how to manage their data. In Excellon, we have the feature HR and admin. Just go to HR cards, employee. Once you open it, it will open the new form. You can enter the employee name, first name, last name, middle name, all the names, and you can just set up the divisions, department, sponsor, and joining date and class is the most important things. Based on this class and joining date only, system will calculate their gratuity, leave policy, everything. For all these things we have the I will take one employee and I will show you the details. Just in Excellon we have the feature to navigate the Mastercards here as well as listing over here, and you can select any employee you want to take. Just click on here, it will open up the details. You can see the class which I defined here, non-official office staff. Inside this class we have lot many options to do, like their end of service rule, its overtime is applicable for this particular class, is leave calculation what basis, all these things inside this we can set up. Same like this we need to fill their joining date also. And apart from this one we have to add other details like their IBAN number, UID number, visa number, and insurances, and their visa positions, confirmation date, religious, all these details. Same like we have other tab to do the employee address details. If they have the multiple address, we have the option to add more addresses, and if any additional notes we can fill it over here. In Excellon, any field it's showing blue with underline, you can create the master from there itself. Same like if you want to create new position, just click on here, it will pop up here, you can add a new position. Any edit on any employee, if you need to update any details, you can just search it from here. For example, you have to search from here, just take the employee, and you want to change anything, you can edit it. Then save it. Other features like employee document and all will explain in another video. Thank you.